right, so what did you guys build today?
So what we have right here is a very unique PC build inside this Ziagonal case from Aliexpress. We got this for a video, and well, now it's in a PC Bros build, and it features a 3060 Ti and i5-12400F.
So it's actually a pretty baller build because you got a liquid-cooled i5, you got 32 gigs of Corsair DDR5, you get a 1TB PNY Gen 4 SSD, and look, it is all color coordinated, all white. A really unique case that you'll probably never see another build in, and it's going to be about $1450 at PCBros.tech.
Buy this PC and many others over at PCBros.tech.